Hey guys, I'm going to go over Tuesday's practice problems with you. So make sure that when you are watching this video, you go back and check your answers to make sure that you were correct as well. So the direction asks us to label quarter one, the median or quarter two, and quarter three in the pink boxes. So our median is the one that's in the middle, or quartile two, whichever you want to call it. It's the same thing. My quartile one is my lower line or my lower end of my box. And quartile 3 is my upper end of my box. Then it wants us to record the range in the inner quartile range in the box below. So if I'm looking here, my biggest number is 45. Forty-five is my biggest, and my smallest number is 0. So 45 minus 0, my range is going to just be 45. Okay, my quartile 3 and my quartile 1 is what's going to get me my inner quartile range here. So quartile 3 is at 30, and quartile 1 is down here at 5. So 30 minus 5 is 25. So my inner quartile range is 25. Let's look at another practice problem. First, it wants us to identify the minimum number. So it goes all the way down here till 5. My maximum number goes all the way up till 90. So my maximum minus my minimum will give me my range. So 90 minus 5 is 85. That is my range of the whole data set, the whole box and whisker plot. My median, remember, I need to figure out my median first when I have just the numbers, but I can actually figure out quartile 1 here because it's on the graph and it's shown here. So quartile 1 is 15. Quartile 2, or the median here, is 40. The quartile 3, or my upper quartile, is 75. So then the last thing I need to do is find my inner quartile range, which is Q3, or quartile 3, minus quartile 1. So I've got 75 minus 15. So if I need to, I can write it over here, or you can write it on a piece of paper. So if I'm subtracting, I've got 0 and 6. So my inner quartile range is 60. And that was all of your practice problems for Tuesday.